Hello everyone, welcome back to Candle Stories live streaming session. Today we're gonna trade news, NFP. Let's see how it turns out. So basically we got news, most important part of our trading today. NFP, it's around 30 minutes after market open today. So this 30 minutes to market open and 30 minutes later and this NFP news. Let's see how it goes. Let's calculate what happened yesterday. Yesterday in unemployment claims, there's looking the unemployment claims would be less, but that's not the case. The unemployment claims are a bit more than what they expected, but I don't know what's wrong with this Google Chrome. Just saying this thing continuously. Let me open Brave browser if it helps. Trading view. Trading view, okay. Goodness. Sign with Google. I don't know what's happening. What's the chart not found? Dude, I'm just looking for gold chart and it's so slow. God. Okay, open up. Full chart. There we go. Our gold chart is on the screen. Okay, there is no current viewers in my streams. That's alright. The issues with it. So basically, let's go back again and see how our news thing is going on Forex Factory. Forex Factory. Actually, this browser is doing good. Let me check my tax manager. Brave is doing way better than Chrome. I need to shut that Chrome. Let's analyze what's happening, what might happen, and how we can go and how we can trade this news today. So basically what happened yesterday was unemployment claims. Previous was 208,000 unemployment claims. This was 240,000 was forecast, but there were more unemployment claims than what was anticipated. So bad numbers for USD. out last Friday what happened. I mean last month Friday. Today is 7th of Feb. Let's see 7th of Jan what happened. So January the 3rd. Let's see. January the 3rd. Unemployment claims. That time it was lower than the expected number. Let's go to January the 3rd. Okay, here we go. January the 3rd. This is January the 3rd. So this candle was the news candle. So as the news come, the price went up still. Okay, that's interesting, because if it's good for USD, the price had to go down. But after a bit of a push, the price has gone down and eventually come up. Let's see if this is the next day is NFP. So next day. Basically, when previous forecast was 212,000, and they actually were looking at the low numbers, but it turns out good for the USD. So I would anticipate the gold has dropped down at this NFP, but there are other factors that might affect it. Unemployment rate has gone down with 0.1%. Let's see. It was January 11th, Jan 11th. January 11th. January 11th. Here we go. 13, 14, 15, 18, 19. So this was basically the NFP candle. If we go into 30-minute, might be easier as it opens 30-minute later. Oh, I'm not too far away. Basically the NFP candle. So it went down about 130 pips, and then we saw the moment up going 160 pips. So let's break this part down. Let's see how it went. And we can get sort of an idea of what's gonna happen. So this was basically the NFP time. This was the candle for NFP. So let's see let's break it down basically. Let's go into 15-minute time frame. I have to go back. Okay, so 12:30 candle. was good for US dollars. That means the gold has to go down. Gold had to go down. It went down, but after this 15-minute candle, gold took it as a liquidity and then pushed further up. Very good push further up. But let's see if this happens. It might be crazy, because how I am gonna trade this scenario here today is, let's say this was the candle that closed. I would put a buy stop here and a sell stop below this area. So this is how I would trade. So my trade would probably open here, and when if 88 pips, I would have closed in 30 pips, 40 pips. But yeah, let's go even further in 5 minutes and let's see how it is. Let's go even further in 5-minute candle and see how it went. Premium plan says we could have seen everything before, but now this is getting out of hand from trading view. Okay, mate, I can just say whatever F and go to gocharting.com. So basically this is the 15-minute. So I just want to check how this went through, how it reacted, breaking down, because we won't have much time to react during the news time. I want to fix my seed trader as well. Hasn't been working since a couple of days in my laptop, so let's see how it goes. So basically what we're doing here is breaking down how we're going to trade NFP, how I'm going to trade NFP today. There's no one in the audience right now. Okay, let's go to Go Charting, and probably don't have a sign in here. Hold dollar. Give us a chart. So I'll just write what we're doing here. So we are number one, we are breaking down last NFP play and anticipating how I am going to trade today's NFP. price went down before pushing up. Interesting. Interesting. Let's see how it's gonna go. So the market has opened. New York market has opened now. Let's see what's happening. This is the market open candle. Hourly candle had closed bearish, leaving this area as a strong resistance. So yeah, that area has been a strong resistance. So last time it was good numbers. They're expecting bad numbers. They're expecting bad numbers. But still, if we get a bigger number here, got a good number here, gold can still plunge down before going up again, probably. So we do have, let's see, any place gold wants to take liquidity from would definitely be this area. So to get to this area, it is around 200 pips. Goodness gracious, 200 pips. Okay, I'm setting up my account here on C-Trader. Gold chart. Just in gold chart today. Nothing else. Interesting to wait. 22 more minutes to go for gold. 22 minutes more. So I don't have any viewers at the moment. Otherwise we could Basically, let's see. Just checking out my own live stream. How do I sound? Just trying to manage my volume in the live stream. I'm new to live stream, so don't know about much of it. Just checking out my volume and this background sound. I think they should do it. I think it's pretty fair amount of music on the background and voice. Okay, I'm done with checking my mic and everything. So only 11 minutes 10 minutes 45 seconds for NFP news to come. Let's see how it pans out, how it turns out. Let's see. There is a chance that gold might drop more, as but I can't really say anything certain in gold, because it's very volatile. Let's keep it this way, that this area right here has been playing as a strong resistance, and it has been tapped once, twice, 3 times, and it's the fourth time that gold is rejecting this resistance. So we would consider this resistance as strong resistance in the future, for future trades as well. And if it goes above this level, if gold manages to go above this level, and in few days, next week, I would say next week, if it goes above, and we'll look this area for as a retracement as well, we might get a good retracement to this area. So gold has basically retraced to this area, to this area. Now let's see how it's gonna play during the news. I'm gonna put it in a 30-minute time frame, so I know exactly how much time is remaining for the news. It's 9 minutes and 6 seconds before news. Let's just check out pound yen until then. So my idea on pound yen, I don't want to do any sort of trading on pound yen. So I was looking for this retest, it happened and it went down. So if we look on a higher time frame, let's go into 4-hourly time frame. Just looking at this trend line as well, it was held properly since the start, since August last year, and now that it has been broken, do we go down? Let me remove this trend line. Do we go down, or we will see something like that happen here? It's like this wasn't much of a trend line like one currently I have with me. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. So basically, if it wants to go down furthermore, I would love to see a retest on this trend line, but anything closing above and moving further will indicate a further bullish push on pound yen in a long run. Let me remove all drawings and let's do a fresh analysis on pound yen. Starting from the monthly candle. The monthly candle has gapped down and it's bearish, has broken below previous monthly candle's low, and this looks like a consolidation range, and there are liquidity grabs from this area. So we can anticipate a price further dip down and push up if it wants to push up, or we can anticipate it to come down as well. Going down into a weekly time frame, getting much more lower time frame perspectives. Weekly, daily, we are still in this big consolidation range in a bigger time frame, in a monthly time frame, to be honest. But looking at smaller time frames, we are moving in fair amount and giving us enough pips to work out with. Let's go into 4-hourly time frame. So today's daily candle has broken the low, but it's going pushing back up. Let's see what that means. 4-hourly candle, we need a nice 4-hourly candle to reject. There's 36 minutes in this 4-hourly candle to close. If it manages to close down, which is only 17 pips left on the body, if it manages to close down, rejecting the top, we might see a bit of a clear range down here to trade. 69 pips to 140 pips. Let's go into an hourly time frame. The previous hourly candle had closed bearish, creating resistance right here, and if this candle closes bullish, there will be a support created, so no longer the sales idea would be valid. But in case, let's say this 30-minute candle closes bullish and the next 30-minute candle is able to break this support area. This looks like a support area. Let's draw a line here. This looks like a support area which has been tapped a couple of times, here, here, and here. If this candle manages to close bullish and another candle breaks below this level, we can anticipate further price to go down on this range. Or if we manage to break above this level, we can further manage to see 40 to 55 pip range. It's looking good on both sides actually. Pound yen is looking good on both sides. Alright, so we're not gonna trade pound yen, so not much of a problem there with pound yen. Something wrong with the music. What's wrong with the music? Let me quickly find that out. Fix that. I'm loving this music actually. It's a jazz instrumental. If this candle manages to close bullish and the other candle closes bearish, there will be a very nice structure to push down. Okay, there's the music. Got the music back. Now, let's see. That's enough with pound yen. Not going to trade pound yen before NFP. 4 minutes before NFP. Well, let's see how we go. So let's plan out how I'm going to do it. I'm gonna plan this out. Let me draw a candle here, or yeah, let's just leave it this way. So let's say if this candle closes 50, I'm gonna go to 15-minute candle and put a buy stop above this range and a sell stop below this range here, which will give me 30 pips of buffering on the top side if it closes like this, if it's gonna be like that, and around 30 pips on the downside. So that will be enough for the price fluctuation during that time, during that moment. So it's basically pretty good to say that on this 30-minute, break at the high would be buys, break at the low would be sells, and I'm gonna put buy stop and sell stops. Alright, NFP trading idea. Buy stop above last 30-minute candle, sell stop below last 30-minute candle. This is how I'm gonna trade NFP today. Let's see how it goes. There was one NFP where it just went up and down, and opened probably whoever trades NFP in this way, buy stop and sell stop, opened all the positions and wiped my money actually, basically. Let's see how it's gonna go. Not much time left, so I'm gonna put my 44 seconds buy stop order. Let's go to 30-minute candle. Put a buy stop order. Let me put a sell stop order first. Right below here. not able to put a sell stop order, buy stop order, and it went up. Basically nothing. Closed my position. I was not able to put a buy stop order. That's why I don't want to trade with my phone. Basically, that was it actually. Let's see how. No issues that I didn't get the trade, but it was good numbers. So gold might come down. Still, no issues. I'm gonna hit a sell now. As we have rejected this area again in this news, we got a good numbers, so gold should go down a bit. Oh, we got bad numbers. Just looking at the wrong thing. Goodness gracious. Do you want a bit of liquidity on the bottom? That's the question. It has opened people's buy stop order and it's going down. I'm on sells and my position is a couple of pips in loss at the moment, and my position is in profit right now. Alright, it's in profit. Started going in profit now. And again, break even. So it's playing out, so I'm going to close half of my position right there. I didn't manage to take any profits from it. I took some profits. Voila. Voila. Good. Perfect. I'm up 0.97% on my trading account. It was good sales. How many pips did I get from this sales? It's going down more, but I got 24 pips. Not bad. It's not good for NFP, but not bad, not bad. My buy stop position didn't open, so would have made some profit from it. Overall, good trade. 24 pips, better than a loss. Thanks everyone. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching Candle Stories. We'll do live stream